name is Kensani Matabula, and I am so excited to be in this week's issue of Drum Magazine. I am a professional modern dancer and choreographer here in New York City from South Africa, and I am so excited to teach you 5 moves today. So the moves that I'm going to teach you are from the Horton technique. It is a codified technique that was created by Lester Horton, and it is one of the many techniques that I got to learn while I had the privilege of studying at the Ailey School. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first move is more of a ballet move. We're going to do a plie in second position. So turned out, bend your knees, and we're going to put our arms here. Okay, great. The next move is called a lateral T line. So we're going to go from our plie. You're going to turn out your left foot just a little bit, and you're going to go for it. Okay, next move is a low lateral T line. So we're going to go from our lateral T. You want to go as far over as you can. Okay, great. Next move is a contraction. So you literally want to feel like you're scooping in your belly. Make sure to keep your shoulders low. We're going to do that in a squat. So. And the last move is a lateral fall. So your arms are up. You're going to do a lateral as far as you can. And at the bottom of your body, you're going to be in a parallel passe. So this is a parallel passe, and you're going to go on a rise. Okay, so all together that is. Yes, you can pull off your leg, and then the fall is literally going on your right knee and falling gently to the side. Let's put that move together. Okay, great. So I'm going to do this for you like a little dance. You can totally do it. These moves are challenging, but let's go for it. So, again, I'm so excited to be in this week's issue of Drum Magazine. I hope that you enjoy my story, and if you'd like to follow me, I am on social media. Have a great day.